I mean, mail is like a lifeline between military and their families back home.
At the post office on Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, you'll find Grace Bailey.
I've been here a few years.
39 to be exact. The whole time, shipping and receiving mail for the troops.
It means a whole lot when you get a package or a letter and you're overseas.
And she does it all on her own, which can get kind of difficult.
When you get a line of people, and I'm the only one here, and they have to wait. But I don't have any customers that really complain. They all understand what's going on. I'm doing the best I can.
All of the hard work she does is worth it in the end.
Wives are sending stuff to their husbands. Kids are sending stuff to their dads. Maybe they haven't seen them for a long time. This just keeps them connected and makes you feel really good to do it.
While some people look for a job they like, Grace Bailey has found a job that she loves.
You have a nice afternoon. You too. Bye-bye.
Reporting for Wright-Patterson Public Affairs, I'm Senior Airman Richard Ware.